How to force restart and enter and exit recovery and DFU mode. Today, I'll show you how to force restart your iPhone and enter or exit recovery mode and DFU mode, essential tools for fixing software issues or restoring your device. Let's start with the force restart. If your iPhone is frozen or unresponsive, you can restart it quickly. Press and release the volume up button, press and release volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, let's talk about recovery mode, which is perfect for fixing issues like boot loops. Connect your iPhone to a computer with a lightning cable. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down, and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once in recovery mode, open Finder on macOS Catalina or later, or iTunes on Windows or older macOS. You'll see an option to update or restore your device. To exit recovery mode, disconnect your iPhone and perform a force restart. It will boot back into iOS. Finally, let's cover DFU mode, a more advanced tool for firmware updates or fixing serious issues. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the screen goes black. Afterward, hold both the side button and volume down for 5 seconds, then release the side button while continuing to hold volume down for another 5 seconds. The screen will stay black if done correctly, and your computer will detect the iPhone in DFU mode. To exit DFU mode, simply perform a force restart. And that's it. These methods will help you troubleshoot and resolve various iPhone issues. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.